Hello, do you guys need help with your learning or career in data science and AI? Now, I can help you with your academic and industrial projects, assignments and reports, quizzes, all with A grade and exam preparation, job support in data science and AI roles, report, dissertation, thesis, research papers, live online classes in machine learning, data science, SQL, Python, deep learning, generative AI, Power BI. Hello, my name is Akash Maurya. I am from India, currently working as a data scientist with over 6 years of industry experience and more than 7 years of teaching and mentoring experience. I specialize in Python, SQL, data analysis, Power BI, machine learning, deep learning, data science, generative AI, large language models, and I can teach both in English and Hindi, making learning comfortable for students from diverse backgrounds. I graduated majoring in information technology. I have worked with leading organizations including Cognizant, Deloitte, Nagarro, and I am currently working at Koantek, a US-based Databricks partner company. Over the years, I have trained 1,000 plus students and working professionals worldwide and successfully delivering 200 academic and industrial projects. I have also contributed to more than 10 research papers, dissertations, and theses helping students and researchers produce high quality academic work, keeping the industry in mind. My teaching approach is practical, interactive, and completely personalized. Whether you are a beginner, a university student, or a working professional, I focus on building strong fundamentals through hands-on coding, real-world case studies, project-based learning, interview preparation, and continuous mentorship. My goal is not just to help you complete a course or a project, but to develop the skill and the confidence needed to excel in academics and build a successful career in data science and artificial intelligence. Thank you so much for watching my introduction video. I look forward to helping you achieve your academic or professional goals. See you in the class.